If you enjoy hot and sour soup, you will love番茄蛋汤, the tomato and egg drop soup, which is simple to make. Find more details about the ingredients at the end of the video. Score the skin in the cross button to make peeling easier. Choose ripe tomatoes. The riper they are, the better they will flavor the soup. Cover them with boiling water and leave for 3 minutes. Then easily remove the skins. Cut the tomatoes into small pieces. Also cut 2.5 ounces of mushrooms into small pieces. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Slice 1 green onion. Cut a little cilantro in 2 sections. Beat 3 eggs with half teaspoon of salt. Mix 4 tablespoons of cornstarch with half cup of water. This soup combines ingredients rich in umami flavor. These are the tomatoes, mushrooms, and soy sauce, which give the dish intense and pleasant flavors. In a pan over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the grated ginger. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the tomatoes. Occasionally stir for 5 minutes. As they cook, the water evaporates, concentrating their flavor and enhancing the umami. Then add 5 cups of water, the mushrooms, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Stir and let heat covered. After about 5 minutes, as it starts to boil, stir and let it simmer on low heat covered for 5 minutes. Then turn the heat to medium, mix the cornstarch again, and add it 1 ladle at a time. Stir and let heat. Once it boils again, add another ladle and repeat. By gradually adding the cornstarch, it blends smoothly without clumping, creating a thickened soup. Add the beaten eggs in the thin stream. In the thickened, boiling soup, fine ribbons of egg form, known in Chinese as tan hua, egg flowers. Stir. Add a half teaspoon of ground pepper. Stir again. Add a half tablespoon of sesame oil and stir once more. Add green onion and cilantro. Stir. And turn off the heat. The tomato and egg drop soup is ready. Bon appétit! The thickness and smoothness of this soup are very satisfying. With all the ingredients combined, it's comforting, flavorful, and nourishing. Enjoy with jasmine rice and a vegetable dish. Here, it's a chayote sautéed with garlic. Light soy sauce is salty and widely used in Asian cooking, adding depth to dishes. Sesame oil is must-have in Asian cuisines, adding a unique, delicious flavor. Use sparingly so it doesn't overpower the other aromas. Ginger is essential. I prefer to add it grated for a subtle fragrance. Cornstarch is commonly used for thickening or binding mixtures. In marinades, it creates a protective layer, keeping meat tender and juicy. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.